Very good morning, 9th standard. This is your English teacher. You have English test on Tuesday, that is coming September 1. Be prepared for English test. The test portion you see here, Unit 1 and 2. Prose, poem, supplementary reader with book bag exercise. This is book bag glossary, Unit 1, prose glossary. This one you have to study for the synonyms. Next, short answers. I will ask you any 5 short answers from lesson 1, unit 1 and unit 2 prose. So study all the short answers. Then paragraph questions. This also you have to study for the test. 2 paragraph questions I will ask in the test. One is from prose, another one from supplementary reader. Next, under the heading vocabulary, homonyms you have to study. Be ready for the test. This homonyms you have to study. And F Roman letter, this find this homophones, that also given. You have to study this for the test. Next, G Roman letter, prefix and suffix. This also you have to study. This is anagrams. This anagrams also you have to study. It is given in page number 11 in your book. Anagram, that is very important. So you have to study this also. This is unit 1 memory poem. This poem also you have to study thoroughly. I will ask any 5 lines from this for 5 marks. You have to study thoroughly and write the title with poet name. Next, this poem appreciation questions also given here. You have to study the 5 appreciation questions. This is unit 1 supplementary reader. From this, I will ask identify the speaker and paragraph questions. This is identify the character or speaker of the following lines given. This Roman letter and answer in a paragraph. This paragraph questions also I will ask you. Next, unit 2. Prose, I can't climb trees anymore. This lesson, glossary. You have to study all the glossaries. Glossary you have to study thoroughly. Then short answers. Here 10 short answers are given. You have to study this also. Then D Roman letter. Match the following given, that is synonyms. Okay, this also you have to study. Then E Roman letter, that is full form of the given word given. This also you have to study. Unit 2 poem, a poison tree. From the poem you have to study the appreciation questions. Okay, appreciation questions you have to study thoroughly. Next, unit 2 supplementary reader, the fun they had. From this unit, from this part, I will ask you identify the speaker and the paragraph questions. This is identify the speakers. You have to study this thoroughly. I will ask few questions only I will ask from book bag. Rest of the question I will ask from inside of the lesson. So you read the story thoroughly. Then study this paragraph questions. From supplementary part, I will ask any one question. This is question pattern. Synonyms, that is for 3 mark. Antonyms, 3 mark. Synonyms from book back only. Antonyms I will show you later. Quote from memory. You have to study the first poem. I will ask any 5 lines from the poem. Then short answers from the 2 units. I will ask any questions. Any 5 questions, each one carries 2 marks, totally 10 marks. Then paragraph questions I gave here 10 marks. 1 question from prose, another one from supplementary reader. Then vocabulary, this also I will ask from book bag exercise only. Then appreciation questions from both poem I will ask. Then letter writing, this is given in the book page 34. From the book page 34, there is one letter writing is given. I will ask that. Then identify the speaker. From the both supplementary reader, I will ask Identify the speaker. This also for 3 marks. Totally 50 marks. Time is 10 to 11:30 on Tuesday. 10 to 11:30 on Tuesday. Dear students, be ready for the English test. Okay children, all the best. Thank you.